Have you ever opened an insurance benefit document and looked at all the tables and legal fine print and immediately closed the tab? You're not alone, and healthcare documents look like they were written to confuse you, but hidden in these pages is the exact blueprint to using your out-of-network benefits so you can get high-quality one-on-one care and get reimbursed for it. So today I'm breaking down the real schedule of benefits document where we're going to cover how to find your numbers fast, what your deductible actually means for your wallet, how out-of-network physical therapy works, and how to pay cash upfront and get reimbursed directly by your insurance using a Superbill. First, let's orient ourselves. When you open your schedule of benefits, you're going to want to skip the intro pages. Scroll straight to the plan features. Every insurance document actually lists two main financial boundaries for the year, your deductible and your maximum out-of-pocket limit. And let's look at the numbers. In this plan, the individual in-network deductible is $250. The individual out-of-network deductible is $500. What is a deductible? It's simple. It's the dollar amount you pay out of your own pocket for healthcare before your insurance company starts sharing the costs. Next, find your out-of-pocket maximum. For out-of-network care on this plan, that number is $5,500. That's your ceiling. It's the absolute most you will pay out of pocket in a calendar year for covered care. Once you hit that threshold, insurance pays 100% of eligible charges for the rest of the year. Now let's flip the page to 24 under physical therapy. For in-network physical therapy, this plan lists a flat $10 copay per visit with no deductible. For out-of-network physical therapy, it says 75% per visit after the deductible. And here's what it actually means. Once you satisfy your $500 out-of-network deductible, your insurance plan actually covers 75% of the allowable session rate. You're responsible for the remaining 25% co-insurance or the remainder of the balance. So how does this work? When you see a one-to-one private practice like mine at Dragon Physical Therapy, we don't bill insurance companies directly. That allows us to spend a full one-on-one session with you with zero distractions. So here's the 4-step workflow. Number 1, you pay me directly for your session at the time of service. Step 2, after your visit, I'm actually going to be issuing you a Superbill. A Superbill is an itemized medical receipt with all the required clinical data, which includes your ICD-10 codes, diagnosis codes, CPT treatment codes, dates of service, and provider tax ID. Number 3, you take that Superbill and upload it to your insurance member portal or your mobile app. Usually it takes about 2 minutes and it's pretty easy to upload. Step 4, the insurance actually processes the claim, and if you haven't met your $500 out-of-network deductible yet, they credit the session cost towards meeting it. And once your deductible is met, insurance sends a reimbursement check directly to you or direct deposits the money straight into your bank for their 75% of the share. But before you book or submit anything, keep in mind these 2 rules in mind. Number 1, you want to check Precertification. Page 4 of this plan actually warns of a $400 penalty if out-of-network care is required prior authorization and you skip it. Call your member services number on the back of your insurance card and ask, do I need prior authorization for out-of-network physical therapy? Rule number 2. Out-of-network providers set their own cash rates. So if a clinic charges $150, but your insurance company determines that the allowable rate for PT is only $120, insurance will actually only cover 75% of that $120 rate. Now, this is just an example explanation of benefits, but these principles can actually be applied to your benefits. And navigating insurance doesn't have to be a complicated one, especially when you know where to look. Understanding these numbers puts you back in the driver's seat of your care so you can work with the specialist that you trust without giving up your insurance reimbursement. If you need help understanding your insurance benefits a little bit more, reach out to your insurance company. Their number should actually be found on the back of your card. And if you're ready to book a free mechanical audit with us, check us out at dragonphysicaltherapy.com/calendar. The link will be found in the show notes. No patient-therapist relationship is formed by listening to this podcast. We are not providing medical advice, and all information should be confirmed by a medical provider.